Hello. Yes, good afternoon, students. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there was a study gap of around 5-7 days. I hope you must have done some revision. Now, let us continue. Can you please tell me which was the last question that we did?
Question 3. Question 2, sorry. Question 2.
Question number 2. Okay.
Yes.
So I hope you and your family members are fine. Please take care. Right now, time is very, very dangerous outside. And there is one situation, means truly government wants us to become Atmanirbhar. You need to arrange for oxygen, you need to arrange for bed, you need to arrange for medicines, arrange for doctors. Okay. So Remdesivir, if you can arrange, otherwise, everything is about self-arrangement. So this is the true meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay. So let me do the full screen. Okay, question number 2 was done. We are in question number 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we go. Find the values of K. Akshat, can you please read this question?
Find the values of K if the area of triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are first one K comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2.
Okay, so we have two questions. We will solve one. First, we will solve. This you can take as a homework. Now, area of a triangle is given and we have 3 points, K0, 40, 02. I'll write 3 points. Let's say this is my point A, B, and C. K0, 40, and 02. Okay. Now, we know that the area of a triangle is equal to half the value of one determinant. Now, in this determinant, in first column, what should I write?
So K, 4, and 0.
Yes. So we'll write X coefficients, which is K, 4, and 0. And in second column, we will write Y coefficients 0, 0, and 2. What about this third column? What do we
Sir,
write?
1, 1, 1.
1. So area is given. Okay. So area is 4 square units. Basically, area might come as positive or negative. We take positive. So I will write plus or minus because here accordingly K may have different signs. Is equal to half. Now I want to expand this. So I will start with this k into small determinant. Here 0, I need to change the sign, but then also it doesn't matter, into 2 by 2 determinant, and then I will write 1 with same sign, and again small 2 by 2 determinant. So Harsh, in this position of k, if I ignore column row, so which 4 numbers will come? Zero, 1, 2, 1. Okay, Ansh, in this position of 0, if I ignore column row, then which 4 numbers will come? Four, 1, 0, 1. Okay, you have written like this. So 4, 1, 0, 1. And in this position, we will get these 4 numbers, 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay. Now we need to solve this. ये 2 को वहां ट्रांसफर कर दो. So we can write plus or minus 8 is equal to k into bracket. This is 0. This is 2. बीच में minus sign. Okay. 0 and 2 and minus sign in between. No need to write this because entire value will be 0. Here it will be plus 1, 8 and 0. So I can write it. So basically it is minus 2k plus 8 is plus or minus 8. Now what I will do, I will split into 2 parts. If plus 8 equal to minus 2k plus 8, या फिर minus 8 equal to minus 2k plus 8. So here, if 8 goes to that side, 8 minus 8, 0 is minus 2k. So what is one of the possible values of k? 0. Hello. Okay. And here, if plus 8 goes to that side, minus 8, minus 8. So minus 16 will be minus 2k. Negative sign will get cancelled. So another possible value of k is 8. So please confirm, are you having these two answers? 0 and
Yes,
8.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this concept is very easy. Area of a triangle, we follow the same concepts. So raise your hand if it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question number 4. Ansh, can you please read the question number 4? First one. Acha, okay, you have some technical issues. Look here, question number 4.1. Find equation of the line joining this and this. using determinants. It's okay, and sometimes we have technical issues. Okay, so first of all, mark this question as important. First of all, the word line is mentioned. So line is mentioned, it means area of triangle will be 0. Okay, and we need to find equation of a line. So what you are supposed to do, let us note in this question. Question number 4, sub question number 1. Let's say my points are 1, 2, and 3, 6. Now we will use the same concept of triangle, but what I will do to find the equation, I will introduce third point with the variables x and y, because they are asking us the equation. So in equation, x and y are present or not? Yes,
Yes, sir, they are.
they are present. So we need to introduce this, and we will write for a straight line, area of triangle will be 0. So I will write area of a triangle which is half of one determinant, 1, 3x and 2, 6y. Okay, and here as always what we write 1. So what will we put on left hand side? 0. Here 1, 2 and 1. 1 into small determinant, 2 की साइन चेंज करके small determinant, again plus 1 into small determinant. Okay, so in position of 1, we will have 6, 1, y1. In position of 2, we will have 3, 1, x1. And in this position of 1, 3, 6, xy. Two will come here, so anyway it will become 0. Here it will be 6 minus y. Here it will be 3 minus x. Here it will be 3y minus 6x. Now we need to expand. 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x. So is there any cancellations? 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. Here we have minus y plus 3y is how much? 2y, and 2x minus 6x will give you what? minus 4x. So this is the equation of a straight line. So please see whether you are getting this answer, and raise your hand if you are clear about how to find equation of a line. Okay. Acha, yesterday you must have come to know that Kangana Ranaut's account was deleted by Twitter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Some persons are, not able to digest, and I always suspected that sooner or later this is going to come, because every day there is some comment by this great lady. So we should also know when to stop. Okay. And, we should not be 100% devoted towards a person, because any person, if I ask you the question, are you perfect? So, because we also have our own limitations, nobody is perfect. So, putting 100% faith on a particular person is very dangerous. And especially in today's time, it is very, very difficult. Okay, so will you be able to solve this question number 4, the second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move on to the question number 5. So, Anush, can you please read question 5?
Yes, sir. If the area of a triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2 and minus 6, 5 and 4, k and 4, then k is
Okay, so it's MCQ type. So, can I say this question looks similar to which one? Third one? Area was also given. So please try now. मैं भी solve करता हूँ. We will. So अभी कर लो. Okay. So we have question 5. Yeah, let's do one thing. I think this you can take. तो मैं थोड़ा सा next कर देता हूँ. Okay. So if you are not able to get the answer, you can tell me. ये homework में ले लो. Now we have minor and cofactor. Already we have learned, but for us, I will again repeat. So look here. Exercise 4.4, write the minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. So question number 1, sub question number 1. Question 1, sub question 1, 2 minus 4, 0, 3. So Ansh, please listen carefully. We have one concept of minor. Okay. So all this position is called, this element is called A11. First row, first column. This is called A12. First row, second column. So this position 0 indicates what? A21. Second row, first column. And these 3 will be A22. Okay, second row, second column. So are you clear? Now, Minor means you just need to ignore rows and columns of that element. तो जो भी element दिखेगा, that is the minor. For example, this is 2. If I ignore column and row of these two, so can I say I am able to see only 3? So 2 ka minor will be what? 3. Similarly, 3 की column row छोड़ दो, so 3 का minor will be what? 2. So please understand these positions. In 2 by 2 determinants, these positions are minor of each other. Minor means some element. So minor of 2 or this position A11 is A22. And similarly, for this -4, if I ignore row column, then I get 4. So minor of -4 is 0. And minor of 0, if I ignore column row, then it is -4. Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how to write? I will write minor of A11. अब वो एलिमेंट नहीं लिखना है, हमें तो माइनर लिखना है. सो A11 यानी ये 2 का माइनर क्या है? 3. Then I will write minor of A12. इसका माइनर क्या है?
0.
0. Then minor of A21. आप बताओ क्या होगा इसका माइनर?
-4.
Yes. And minor of A22 will be what? 2. Okay. Now, minor and cofactors are similar, but cofactor may involve change in sign. So I will write, let me write side by side. So I will write cofactor of A11 is equal to, now cofactor means element of minor needs to be multiplied with -1 का power I plus j. I plus j means row and column. For example, this is 1 1. So -1 का power 1 plus 1. Look, this is 1 1. So what I will do, -1 का power 1 plus 1 into the same value. So will there be any change in sign? No, because -1 with even number will give you what? +1. So this will remain as it is. But here sign will change. So I will write cofactor of A12 is -1 ka power 1 plus 2. Now look here, 1 plus 2 is 3, odd number. So this is -1. -1 raised to odd number is -1 into element was 0. So anyway, 0 को साइन की जरूरत नहीं है, अगर कोई दूसरा नंबर होता तो साइन चेंज हो जाती. Okay, so you can write just 0. Then here I will write cofactor of A21. So I will write -1 का power 2 plus 1 So Ansh, will the sign change or not of this -4? Yes, so it will become what? +4. And cofactor of A 2 is -1 raised to 2 + 2. So here, now what do you feel? Sign will change or not? Now it will not change. So it will be 2. So we can see sign changes in element A12 and 21. So for your better understanding, these two positions की साइन चेंज हो जाती है इन कोफैक्टर. ओके, तो एक शॉर्टकट में बताता हूं. ओके, जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट. माइनर मैट्रिक्स directly, if I want to write, then 2 की जगह पर 3, 3 की जगह पर 2, -4 की जगह पर 0, and in place of 0 I will write -4. So are you clear about minor matrix? And
Yes, sir.
cofactor matrix. What I will do in cofactor? Same minor matrix will be converted into cofactor. 3 0 -4 2, but I need to change two signs. At which place? Here I will make plus, and here anyway it is 0, so no need to write. So these two positions will have change in sign. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you take this one as a homework. Tomorrow we will discuss about 3 by 3. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.